Today we're at Mojave Elementary, home of the Colts, and we're here to
Do the math!
Once again, we're with the 4th and 5th grade students at Mojave Elementary. You guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
So we've a lot of work that we've done with positives and negatives, okay? Now we're going to put it into a game form, and we're going to see who can correctly get a bingo first before everybody else. So in each of these boxes, you're going to put a number that is between 20 and negative 20. You can also put 0. 0 is a number. There are no free spaces on this like there is regular bingo. So you're just going to start putting in numbers. So I'm going to put a 0 there. I'm going to put a 1 there. Maybe I'll put a -3 right there. I'll put 10. You guys see how it goes? You got to put positive and negative numbers in there. But you can't go any higher than 20. And you can't go any lower than -20. Okay? You ready? Go. Fill them in. Any numbers at all that you want. Positives and negatives. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I want you to do is if I say a problem and you have the answer to it, just mark your paper, like put an X on it or something, all right? Circle it, however you want to do it. When you get 5 in a row, what do you say?
Bingo.
You guys know how to play, right? Mm-hmm. Here we go. -7 minus 7. Now, if you guys need to, take out your number lines. Well, that's when you multiply and divide, right? So right now, if we're at -7 and we're going to subtract 7 more, are we going to get closer to 0 or farther away? Farther away, right? So if you're at -7, go backwards 7 more. So -7 minus 7. And where will that put us? -14. So if you have -14, go ahead and put an X on it or a circle. I'll keep track of which ones I'm calling here. All right, here we go. Next one. 8 minus 6. All right, so we know that it's 2. So see if you have a 2. If you have a 2 on there, go ahead and circle it or mark it. All right, next one. -2. So if you need to on the paper, find -2 plus 10. So if you're at -2 and you're going to add 10, so you're going to get a larger number, right? You're going to go past 0. So you're at -2 and you're going to add 10. Well, you're going to go forward, right? Because you're at -2 and you're going to add 10. So we're going to go in the positive direction. So if you're at -2 and you add 10, where do you end up at?
+8.
+8. Okay? So -2 plus 10 is the same thing as 10 minus 2. So we know it's 8. So go ahead and circle an 8 or X it off if you have it 8. 11. So listen to how I say that. So we are at 11. And we're going to add -11. Where will we end up at? 0, right? So if we're at 11 and we're going to add -11, it's the same thing as 11, take away 11, right? So 0, if you have 0, go ahead and mark it. All right, -4. So go ahead and think about where -4 is, or if you need you to use the number line, put your pencil or finger on -4. -11. So if you're at -4, you're going to take away 11 more. So you're going to move 11 farther away from 0.
That would lead us at negative 15.
Negative 15, right? So if you're at 4, negative 4, and you're going to go negative, right? You're going to go to the left. You're going to keep going 11 more. So you end up at negative 15. So if you have negative 15, mark it on your paper. I bet you guys all had positive 15, didn't you? Not negative 15.
I didn't even put 15 down.
You don't have 15 positive or negative? All right, we'll see if we can find one more. All right, 4. So we're going to start at 4. Positive 4. Take away 9. So you're going to go to the left, negative 9. So if once you're at 4, go back 9. So let's see how everybody's doing. So if you're at 4 and you go back negative 9, where do you end up at? Negative 5. So negative 5, go ahead, mark it, circle it, or exit.
I forgot we needed to do 5 in a row.
Oh, you've got 3 in a row, right? That'd be tic-tac-toe if we were doing that, but we didn't need 5 in a row for bingo. So we'll continue playing with the 4th and 5th grade students at Mojave Elementary School.
Do the math!